hydraulic and pneumatic seals, gaskets, tackings, and components.
Don't know what that means? Think of all the places you see hydraulics work every day. Those machines don't work without good seals, and that's where Allegheny York comes in.
We spoke to employees at Allegheny York about their typical day.
Okay, we come in, we get our jobs, orders and stuff that we're gonna run and stuff, and I get my presses started up. I usually run them one time just to make sure they're hot and stuff. They're usually turned on in the morning when I come here and stuff. And we, Joe, my wrapper, pulls parts for me. And like I said, we usually know what we're gonna run and stuff, and I run 8 presses at a time.
I have a number of jobs. We do shipping, receiving, do receiving in the morning, and then later in the afternoon we get orders, and we got to pick and pull them orders. Plus we have a parts counter I have to run, so we have a number of jobs.
Well, we'll get a part from a customer and work on design of the mold, figure out the material, and do the machining of the mold.
We asked what's the best part about your job at Allegheny York.
Changing jobs and getting parts out in a productive manner, the relaxed environment.
I like the people that I work with, and then also that I get to creative problem solve. Whether it's creating graphics for the website, or for posters or flyers.
And the greatest thing about my job is it changes from day to day according to what projects need to be done.
It's always different. It's always something new.
I like engineering and manufacturing. That's the most fun part about working at Allegheny York.
Let's ask the president at Allegheny York, what do you look for in a new employee?
For new employees, I look for people that are self-motivated, have a certain level of education and experience to be able to perform their jobs properly.